Yo, hvað er að frétta? My name is Arnoldur, and this is just going to be another quick tutorial showing you guys how to install presets in Lightroom. So once I didn't know how to install the presets and it got me a little bit frustrated, so I thought to myself, hey, why not just show you guys how to do this? So to install presets is actually super simple. All you have to do is open up Lightroom, and then here, by the preset, you can see this little plus sign. Click that, and then you see import presets, all right? So click the presets, and here you just have to find where your presets that you want to import are. And basically, you can just choose if you want to import one, or if you press Ctrl A, you can import them all. And import them once, boom, press the import, and you have done, and it's finished. That's basically it. It's so simple. So if you could smack that like button for me, it would really help me out. If you have any questions, like always, guys, I'll promise that I will do my very best to answer you. Other than that, I guess I'm just gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.